cool down so I can get one good lap.
Okay. Getting up there. I have no idea what the temp is right now, but it's gonna get hotter for sure.
Yeah. It feels like maybe high 80s right now.
Yeah, that would be my guess. Mid to high.
Alright. Wait, was that the slow Cayman?
Yep.
Oh no.
Fast on the straights, but slow in the corners.
Sucks having to constantly watch that.
Yeah. Yeah, you get the cooler in there, you should be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, having to speed up and slow down just to kind of time the oil is
Yeah, it really sucks.
Do you have an ABS bypass, or is it just the original ABS?
I just pulled the fuse.
Oh, okay.
Because I was having that issue when I first bought this car. when the pump would just go crazy.
Oh yeah.
I just never dealt with it.
Oil cooler, and then maybe the ABS upgrade.
ABS upgrade, oil cooler, and an LSD would help too.
Yeah.
Right now it's a little bit of like one tire fire.
Oh. Yeah, I still have yet to drive mine with those Keegan.
Oh yeah.
Like on the track anyway.
That should make a big difference.
Yeah, if it's anything like the difference in the Miata with those Keegan,
oh yeah,
it's gonna be huge.
Yeah.
You just get on the power so much earlier.
Right.
And then when it does start to kick out, you just control it.
Yeah, you can control it.
Oh, nice driving though, man.
Well, I feel like I'm driving so slow out there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I mentally can't push this car nearly as hard as I push the BRZ, you know?
Yeah, totally understandable. Bottom line is one's more disposable than the other.
Yeah, exactly. A lot more disposable than the other. I like the Öhlins though. They feel pretty good on this car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. And yeah, you were hammering those brakes, so
yeah,
they seem to be holding up just fine.
Yeah, no, the brakes felt good, suspension felt good. I just have it set to like a dummy setting, like just like halfway through the damping range.
Oh, okay.
On front and rear, so
you could play with it a bit more.
Yeah, but honestly, I'm not even driving it hard enough to really like need to play with the settings right now.
It's just good as is.
Yeah. Also, Thunderhill is very smooth.
Yeah, that's true too.
So you don't really feel the dampers working that much. No clean laps, but 215 in traffic and lifting and everything.
Oh, nice.
My goal for today was actually a 208.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because my BRZ time's a 204 with just tires and nothing.
Here?
Yeah.
With just tires, 204?
Just tires, stock suspension, just the camber mods.
Damn, dude.
That was it. I mean, that's literally so much faster than I just went.
that is fucking fast. With just the tires.
Just the tires. They were 225, so I didn't go as wide as I could have. And then like front camber mod. Like I had like 2.6 degrees of camber.
That's fast, man.
It was an open track day. So I was just like, okay, the last lap, I didn't brake quite deep enough into this corner. So
okay.
So it was just like the repetitive.
Oh, you just kept going and going and
faster
going.
And
oh,
faster.
That's awesome.
I was done by like 11 a.m. I was like, all right.
I believe it.
Going home. Oh, someone went off over here.
Oh, shit. Oh, quite a bit.
But yeah, the Garmin Catalyst with an open track day, such a good combo. Because it tells you like, oh, like this lap, you know, turn in earlier. And I'm like, okay, and I don't have to go in because I have like an open track day.
Yeah, it's not like, oh, let me go in, like review. It's like, no, I'll do this the next lap.
I'll just keep
doing
the car doesn't overheat.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Good session.